Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Predictions by Neetti Katyal. How many times you have taken a new year resolution but haven't been able to fulfill the same? Well, this happens with most of us. We tend to take some new year resolution but often fail to adhere to it till the end of the year. Today's video is all about the new year resolution. It unveils the art of keeping the new year resolution and the science of crafting a resolution. Make only one resolution. Overpromising is definitely what you should avoid while planning a new year resolution. Instead of a list of resolution and act that you plan, it's better you should focus on only one core activity. It can be anything, whether it's health, fitness, social behavior, habits, academics, hobbies. It is always better to focus on the one thing at a time and actually do it. Small goals. Small goals are always better than the big goals, especially when it comes to the resolution. It is advised to keep your goals small and your milestones small. This allows you to keep the track of your goal and motivate too. Positive goals. Affirmation is the key to happiness and good energy. A New Year resolution should be formed using the positive sentences. For instance, if you have taken the resolution to restrict the intake of the junk food, then you can frame your resolution that it will have only one cheat day in a month or a week. Set the time limit. Your resolution should be time bound. It must set the internal deadline for you. Research says that the time constraints enable you to push your boundaries and go out of your way. Well, make sure you set the limit for your resolution. Aim progress, not perfection. A sense of progress is motivating. Enjoy the journey rather than thinking about the end result. Think what you have learned, the new things in this journey. The New Year resolution is a great opportunity to look ahead in the months to come. It acts as a motivation and allows you to implement your evaluation of your last year. As the new year 2022 is just round the corner, follow the above given suggestions to frame a realistic and a target resolution. A new year means a new chapter. I hope this 2022 is an incredible chapter of your life. May this new year bless you and your family with health, wealth, happiness and prosperity. Once again, wishing you all a Happy New Year 2022. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for some more astrological updates.